Welcome back to another day at Topcast. Today we unravel a trove of beauty hacks tailored for beginners, designed to elevate your beauty routine to an art form. Each of the 10 main points not only introduces essential hacks but also delves into the details of why and how they work, empowering you with the knowledge to enhance your natural radiance. So let's get started. The magic of moisturization. The magic of moisturization lies in its ability to transform your skin from dull to radiant. This essential skincare step hydrates and nourishes, creating a protective barrier against environmental stressors. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, finding the right moisturizer is key. Dive into the world of hydration as we explore different types of moisturizers, the importance of ingredients, and the art of application. Discover how this simple yet potent step can unlock a complexion that's not just moisturized but truly radiant. Mastering the art of foundation. Mastering the art of foundation is about finding the perfect match and applying it seamlessly. Start with a clean, moisturized canvas. Choose a foundation that complements your skin tone. Consider undertones for a precise match. Apply small dots on your face and blend using a makeup sponge or brush. Build coverage as needed, focusing on areas that require more attention. Set with a translucent powder for a flawless, natural finish that lasts all day. Remember, less is often more in achieving that coveted radiant complexion. Contouring and highlighting demystified. Contouring and highlighting demystified. Sculpt your face effortlessly by mastering the art of contouring and highlighting. Begin by applying a contour shade in the hollows of your cheeks, along your jawline, and on the sides of your nose. Contrast this with a highlighter on the high points of your face, cheekbones, down the bridge of your nose, and on your cupid's bow. Blend seamlessly for a naturally defined look that enhances your features and adds a touch of luminosity. Perfecting eyeshadow application. Perfecting eyeshadow application is an art, and these tips will be your guide. Begin by priming your lids for a smooth canvas. Choose shades that complement your eye color and blend with a gentle hand. Understand your eye shape to accentuate strengths and soften features. Experiment with different brushes for precise application. Remember, blending is key for a seamless finish. Elevate your gaze by applying a lighter shade to the inner corners. With these insights, your eyes will captivate and command attention. Eyeliner mastery for every eye shape. Elevate your eyeliner game with these tips tailored to every eye shape. For almond eyes, embrace versatility with various styles, from subtle lines to dramatic wings. Round eyes benefit from elongated wings for a captivating effect. Hooded eyes shine with thin lines along the lash line. Accentuate downturned eyes with a lifted wing, while upturned eyes dazzle with a smudged lower line. Mastering eyeliner for your unique eye shape ensures your gaze steals the spotlight with precision and flair. Lip care and lipstick application. Elevate your lip game with these luscious tips. Begin by exfoliating your lips to create a smooth canvas. Hydrate with a nourishing lip balm, ensuring your pout is moisturized. Use a lip liner to define your shape and prevent feathering. Choose lipsticks that complement your skin tone and apply with precision. Blot for a natural finish or go bold for a statement look. These simple steps guarantee your lips stay kissably soft and impeccably adorned. Proper brush techniques. Mastering proper brush techniques is the secret weapon in achieving a flawless makeup finish. Understanding the role of each brush is key. Use a flat foundation brush for even coverage, a fluffy blending brush for seamless eyeshadow transitions, and an angled brush for precise contouring. Clean your brushes regularly to prevent product buildup and potential skin issues. With the right tools and techniques, you can elevate your makeup game and create a professional, polished look effortlessly. The skin-saving power of sunscreen. Embrace the skin-saving prowess of sunscreen as your daily armor against harmful UV rays. Opt for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30, ensuring comprehensive protection. Apply generously, covering all exposed skin, and don't forget often missed areas like ears and neck. Reapply every 2 hours, more frequently if swimming or sweating. This simple step not only shields you from sun damage but also promotes lasting skin health and a radiant complexion. Unveiling skincare essentials. Unveiling skincare essentials is like crafting a love letter to your skin. Start with a gentle cleanser to whisk away impurities, followed by a toner to balance and prep. Hydration is non-negotiable. Select a moisturizer tailored to your skin type. Introduce serums to target specific concerns, and treat yourself to a weekly mask for a spa-like indulgence. This routine, akin to a symphony for your skin, ensures a harmonious balance for a radiant and healthy complexion. Quick tips for busy days. Effortless beauty on busy days is achievable with a few quick tips. Opt for multitasking products like a tinted moisturizer or a lip and cheek stain for a fresh look in seconds. Embrace dry shampoo for a hair refresh, and prioritize skincare with a simple routine. A bold lip color can instantly elevate your appearance, and don't forget the power of sunglasses for an instant chic vibe. Streamline your routine to boost confidence even on the busiest of days. Unveil the artist within and transform your beauty routine with these beginner-friendly hacks. This video is your backstage pass to the world of beauty, providing not just techniques but the understanding behind them, ensuring you feel confident and radiant every time you pick up that makeup brush. So thank you for joining with us. Have a great day.